In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use QR codes on Slack. QR codes are incredibly useful for quickly sharing information or links, especially in a team-focused environment like Slack, where communication efficiency is key. First, let's start by going to Slack. Now, you can do this by opening the Slack application on your desktop or, alternatively, visiting the Slack website on your browser. Make sure you're logged into the relevant workspace where you want to access QR codes. Once you're in Slack, move your attention to the top left corner of the interface. Here, you'll find your profile name. Click on your profile name, which will reveal a menu with various options. This step might seem unassuming, but it's actually your gateway to accessing more features within Slack, including the option we'll focus on next. Navigating through these menus helps customize your experience and streamline your workflow within the application. Remember, taking a moment to explore these options can often unveil useful tools you weren't aware were right at your fingertips. Next, in the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Get the mobile app. Click on this. You might wonder why we're accessing the mobile app option when we're talking about QR codes. Here's the trick. Accessing this particular option brings you to a screen where you can find the QR code for downloading Slack on your mobile device. This QR code acts as a bridge, making it seamless to transition between using Slack on your desktop and mobile devices. A little tip here. Scanning this QR code with your phone's camera will redirect you efficiently to your App Store, whether it's Apple's App Store or Google Play, where you can quickly install or update your Slack mobile app. The concept of QR codes is not only about linking you to download apps, it's about simplifying certain actions and connecting different platforms that you use, which in turn optimizes your digital workspace efficiency. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to find and use QR codes within Slack. These steps ensure that you make the most out of the application with minimal effort, turning potentially cumbersome transitions across different devices into a smooth experience. This resourceful approach to using Slack helps maintain a consistent and streamlined work routine, enhancing productivity and communication within your teams. So, feel free to explore QR codes beyond this application. They're increasingly becoming an integral part of digital workflow tools, helping bridge gaps and connect applications in a highly user-friendly manner. I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to like the video if it helped you, subscribe for more useful tech tips, and let us know in the comments how you're using QR codes in your workspace. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.